Hi guys, it's Nico Patrick and you are welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I wash my Yuma hair wig. I've been using different type of styling oil to style this wig. So right now it's not that dirty, but there is a lot of oil on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I wash it. I'm going to go ahead and place the wig inside my wash hand basin. Then I'm going to turn on my water to wet it first before I apply my shampoo. Now I'm just washing the wig. As you can see, I also turn off my water. I don't want my water to be running while I'm washing the wig. So once I am done washing the wig, scrubbing it with my finger and everything, I'm going to go ahead and just turn on back the water and use it to rinse it off. Now it's time to dry it. I always like to use a towel to get out some excess water before I hang it and let it dry. If you are in a hurry to use the wig, you can go ahead and use a hand dryer to dry it. But if you are not in a hurry to use it, it is better to hang it somewhere and let it dry by itself. So yeah, that is how I wash my wig. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.